Want to find your hidden locked chats on WhatsApp? Here's the full guide. First, open WhatsApp and go to the chat you want to lock. Tap the three dots in the top right corner and select Lock Chat. Set your PIN or password and confirm. You'll notice the chat disappears from your main list. Now, to access your locked chats, scroll to the Lock Chat section in your WhatsApp. If you don't see it immediately, simply swipe down on the main chat screen, and the section should appear. For extra privacy, you can hide your locked chats. Go to Chat Lock Settings, tap Hide Lock Chats, and set a secret code. Once hidden, the locked chats won't appear on your main screen at all. To reveal them, tap the search bar that says Ask Meta AI and enter your secret code. Your hidden chats will pop up instantly. Tap to open them, and you're all set. And that's how you find hidden locked chats on WhatsApp in 2026.